everyone, welcome back to my channel with me Awal Aryansha in Fixing Something. Today we are going to talk about on how to bypass Samsung's Galaxy screen lock. And today I'm using my phone. This is Samsung Galaxy Pocket Neo Duos. This with this pattern look. Yeah, I'm using the type of pattern. This is work for every screen lock you choose, and I don't know if this trick works for today's Samsung's smartphone. So first thing you need to know is that you already installed the TWRP recovery in your Samsung smartphone, and if you already done that, let's take a look at next step. So this is my screen lock look like with 36 annoying dot, and I'm pretending I don't remember my pattern. So the first thing you need to do is shut down your phone, power off, and okay. Once again, I'm assuming you already installed TWRP recovery in your phone. If you haven't done that, there is plenty tutorial on how to install the TWRP recovery project in your smartphone, especially Samsung. And the next step is to hold your home button, volume up, and then the power button at the same time. Now we already enter the TWRP recovery. As you can see in the left corner, I got TWRP version 2.7. Next, you need to enter the advanced menu and then file manager. Okay, go to the data folder and go to the system folder. Now we are already on the system folder, and you need to find this three file. You need to find this log settings.db, log settings.dbshm, and log settings.db.wal. You just need to delete those three files. Delete, sweep, okay, back, delete, sweep, back, delete. Okay, now we are done. Let's just reboot our phone. Reboot system. Yes, I'm using the Cyanogen mode 11, the unofficial release for this phone. Okay, let's just wait. And there you go. Let's see. Now the pattern is disappeared from my phone, and I can use my phone. Let's take a look at the phone specification. Yeah, this is my phone, Android version 444, Cyanogen version 11, an official release. And that's all, I think, guys. If you want to ask something, you can just ask in the comment.